Please talk to us about this extraordinary filmmaker, Shankar sir, because यहाँ पे people are saying Shankar sir and Ram Charan दोनों साथ में आ रहे हैं, बहुत बवाल होने वाला है. What do you have to say on that?
So, Shankar sir made a remake of Three Idiots in South. It's called Nanban. Yeah. So when they released in Telugu, I was the chief guest for that. I was sitting it's a small story I just want to share. I was sitting next to Shankar sir. And मैंने ये सोच रहा था कि अरे कैसे बोलूं शंकर सर एक मेरे साथ नहीं किसी के साथ भी it's okay but just make a तेलुगु फिल्म यार सिर्फ तमिल फिल्म बनाते हो and मेरे डैड के साथ बनाओ या any of my contemporary heroes but वो बोलने के लिए I didn't have the guts also. And after a couple of years then I get a call from Mr. Raj Garu saying, Shankar sir, I was last 2 schedules of RRR I was working. Then Raju sir comes to Ramoji Film City where I was working. He says, Ram, Sir Shankar wants to work. I said, huh? Yeah, baad mein bolenge. He said, hello. Kya baad mein bolenge? Shankar sir. He said, aapke paas kya hai? Shankar sir aayega. Then I got to know it is really Shankar sir. I was like, shit, Raju sir, call right now. So it is such a dream come true for me. We all have been watching his movies growing up. Recently Mr. Rajmouli sir also said, he's the epitome of commercial films, the larger than life. He has defined what is the global film and global cinema and the pan-India cinema. He was the first pan-India director we had. Hats off to him, and I'm so blessed. And yeah, I don't know how my dad will feel, but yeah, I'm very blessed. He should have done it with dad. So I'm very fortunate, and it's a blessing to work in just 5 years to work with a director like Mr. Rajmouli Garu and then Shankar. As an actor, it is so enriching, and it's so much to learn from both of them.
There's there's no comparison, of course, but both of them are like masters of their craft. But S.S. Rajamouli sir and S. Shankar sir. So how do you see this thing ki, you were directed by Rajamouli sir and now Shankar sir? Kya difference hai?
Thank God, difference. You didn't compare them.
Not at all, sir. Not at all.
So both of them are taskmasters. Both of them expect a lot from each and every person. And especially having such beautiful actors. He is one of the craziest person and the craziest actors I've met. He is. And he just said he saw the song and he saw Kiara and me. मैंने तो producer का ये देखा था उसमें. So I think both Mr. Rajmouli sir and me, Mr. Shankar sir, both are taskmasters. They give you every opportunity perform करने के लिए and to be your best. It is very rare to work with such talent, and they keep pushing you always. And there's not one day where थोड़ा relax होने के लिए time मिलता है. नहीं. Every day, even if it's a single shot. I remember one day I was sitting with Shankar sir saying, "Hi Ram, coffee bag." Yes sir. Abhi first day tha. Then he was having a coffee. I was having a coffee, and suddenly he started looking not at me, at my hair. And he called assistant director. He said, "Idhar aao, wo iPad leke aao." And he's looking at the iPad and this thing. I said, then मेरे को मालूम पड़ गया, he's not talking to me. वो character के साथ बात कर रहा है. Ram Nanda. I said, "Idhar aao." And he started touching me. It is very intimidating when somebody touches you like this. I said, I can't say. He said, कुछ बदला क्या? क्योंकि iPad में जो आपको picture ने भेजा था वो caravan में exactly नहीं था. I said, I swear to God, it is only 5% difference from what he sent. But he is so particular and he's so master at his craft. Even that 5%, it doesn't matter. And even if you're Mr. Rajnikant ji or Kamal Hassan ji, he worked with, or myself,